Hi there, this is how to create a new project on Widgion. So you have to, from your dashboard here, you can navigate downwards. You click on create project. You select your AI engine that will be assisting your AI chatbot and responding. Could be custom AI, Straightco, Open Router. I'm going to select custom AI and click on continue. Then you have to select your AI knowledge, that is the information that is going to train your AI. It could be your website, it could be your site map, document, text snippets. I'm just going to be going with my website. You input your website link, you click on continue. Then it has gotten all the links gotten from your site, and you click on select all links, and then you click on continue. So you have to select your AI personality. We have numerous options, so select the one that works best for you. And you can also adjust the prompt to fit and suit your taste. And then once you're done with this, you can just click on continue. So you customize your widgets. We have different color options. You can input your color code. We have different launcher button style. We have two layouts, modern layouts. This is the fill, and we have classic layout. This is the fill. Once you're done, then this is like the final step before you launch your assistant. So once you're done, you launch your assistant. And just like that, you would have created a new project on Widgion.